Today we are gonna fix Instagram GIF not working problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is to change settings that may be causing the issue. First, we check if Instagram is up to date. If we need to update Instagram, we update it. After that, we open settings. Then we click apps and manage apps. In the search bar, we type Instagram. After doing that, we click storage. Then we clear Instagram's data. Afterward, we click on permissions and set storage to allow. We go back to app info and click on restricted data usage. After doing this, we ensure that there are no data usage restrictions for Instagram. Finally, we click on battery saver and select no restrictions. Now, we will log into our account. We enter our user information and click login. We have logged into our account. If our account is professional, we will change it to our personal account. To do this, we click on the profile icon. Then we click on the three lines in the upper right corner and open settings. We scroll down and find for professionals. After doing this, if our account is not personal, we make our account a personal account. The first solution ends here. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to download an older version of Instagram. The problem may be due to the recent update. If that's the case, downloading old version might work. Before downloading the older version, we uninstall the up-to-date Instagram from our device. Then we open our browser and search for Instagram old version up to down. We open up to down's website. We scroll down and click on the older version we wanna download. There will be a download link in the description. You can directly go to the download page from there. We click download and start the download process. We have downloaded Instagram. Now we will install it. We have installed Instagram. Now you can log into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.